Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most important file formats for professional designers and businesses, the SVG format. If you've ever wondered why some logos look pixelated when enlarged, while others stay perfectly crisp, the answer is often SVG. This format is essential for anyone creating brand assets, website graphics, or professional design work. Understanding when and how to use SVG files can take your designs from amateur to professional level instantly. First, open your design in Canva and click the Share button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Download. Before we jump into the technical steps, let me explain what makes SVG so special. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, and unlike regular image files like JPG or PNG, which are made of pixels, SVG files are made of mathematical paths and coordinates. This means they can be scaled infinitely without any quality loss. Think of it this way. A PNG is like a photograph that gets blurry when you zoom in, while an SVG is like instructions that tell the computer how to redraw the image perfectly at any size. In the file type dropdown, choose SVG. Note that SVG is only available in Canva Pro. Once selected, click Download, and your design will be saved as an SVG file. Yes, SVG export is a Canva Pro feature, which is one of the reasons many professional designers upgrade to the paid version. If you're serious about design work, especially logo creation or branding, the Pro subscription is absolutely worth it for this feature alone. When you click the file type dropdown, you'll see various options like PNG, JPG, PDF, and more. SVG will be listed there if you have Pro access. If you don't see it, that's your sign to consider upgrading. Also important to note, SVG works best with vector elements, text, and shapes. If your design contains photos or raster images, those parts won't be truly scalable. This format preserves quality, making it scalable to any size without losing resolution. Ideal for web or print projects. Let me give you some real-world examples of when SVG is the perfect choice. Use SVG for company logos that need to appear on everything from business cards to billboards, website icons and graphics that need to look sharp on all screen sizes and resolutions, infographics that might be resized for different platforms, t-shirt designs and merchandise graphics, social media icons and buttons, and any graphic that needs to maintain quality across multiple sizes. However, avoid SVG for photographs or complex illustrations with gradients and effects. Those are better as PNG or JPG files. And that's it. Your Canva design is now ready in SVG format, perfect for any project requiring crisp, scalable graphics. Once you've downloaded your SVG file, you can use it in so many ways. Web developers love SVG files because they load quickly and look perfect on Retina displays and high-resolution screens. You can open SVG files in professional design software like Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape for further editing. Many print shops prefer SVG files for vehicle wraps, signage, and large format printing. You can even animate SVG files with CSS or JavaScript for interactive web elements. The file size is typically much smaller than high-resolution PNG files, which is great for website performance. Here's a pro tip. After downloading your SVG, always test it by opening it in a web browser or design software to make sure everything exported correctly. Sometimes complex effects or certain fonts might not translate perfectly. If you notice any issues, you may need to simplify your design or convert text to outlines before exporting. Also, keep your original Canva file saved so you can always go back and make edits or export in different formats as needed. If this tutorial helped you understand SVG files and how to use them effectively, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Canva tips and design tutorials. Drop a comment below letting me know what you're planning to create with SVG, logos, icons, or something else. I also have a complete playlist on file formats and when to use each one that you should definitely check out. Thanks for watching, and remember, choosing the right file format is just as important as creating a great design. Happy designing!